Hey there, beautiful souls. Welcome back to PepTalk SelfTalk, your go-to destination for self-growth and empowerment. Today's episode is a special one because we're tackling a common struggle that many of us face: overcoming imposter syndrome through positive self-talk. You know that feeling, right? The nagging doubt that creeps in, making you question your worth and accomplishments. It's called imposter syndrome, and trust me, you're not alone. Let's conquer it together. First, let's recognize that imposter syndrome doesn't define you. It's a temporary visitor, and it's time to show it the door. Positive self-talk is your secret weapon against this pesky intruder. Every morning, before you step into the world, spend a few minutes with yourself. Look in the mirror and say, "I am capable, I am deserving, and I am enough." Repeat it until you believe it. Journaling is another powerful tool. Write down your accomplishments, big or small. Celebrate your victories, and don't shy away from giving yourself credit. Remember, you've earned it. Now, let's reframe those negative thoughts. When imposter syndrome whispers, "You're a fraud," fight back with evidence of your achievements and the challenges you've overcome. Visualization is a game changer. See yourself thriving, succeeding, and standing tall. Picture yourself as the confident and capable person you truly are. Embrace that version of yourself. Don't go through this journey alone. Talk to someone you trust about your feelings. Seek encouragement from friends, family, or mentors who believe in your potential. Remember, dear friends, you are not defined by your mistakes or moments of self-doubt. You are human, and it's natural to feel vulnerable at times. But that doesn't mean you're any less capable. Embrace your uniqueness. Embrace your quirks, your imperfections, and everything that makes you, you. That's where your true strength lies. Lastly, remember that you're on a journey of growth. It's okay to take baby steps. Be patient with yourself and celebrate progress, no matter how small. Each step forward is a triumph. As we wrap up this episode, I want you to know that you have the power to conquer imposter syndrome. Positive self-talk is your superpower, and it's within your reach. If you found this video empowering, don't forget to hit that like button. Share it with anyone who needs a little pep talk, and subscribe to PepTalk SelfTalk for more uplifting content. You are capable, you are worthy, and you can overcome anything.